Hi everyone, I'm Xuân. Today I'm gonna tell you about Santa Workshop. Yes, this home has a workshop where he and his elf work hard to prepare gifts for children around the world. Wow, the children around the world, how can they do that? The truth is they are kind people. Because of their kindness, they are blessed with a lot of magic, so they can get the job done in a small place.
On Christmas Day, he traveled around the world to bring joy and happiness to children. The story makes us realize that when people do something with kind heart, miracles will happen. For this Christmas season, every VUS Santa's workshop will be a place that spreads message of love and kindness to everyone.
Come and join us to share the magic of kindness at your VUS Vloggers right now.
Hello everyone. As you know, a few months ago there was a terrible flood in the middle of Vietnam. Those students really need our help. Please join us at VUS Santa Workshop and donate everything you can. Backpacks, pens, everything is needed. This small act of kindness is really appreciated. Thank you.
VUS, your English, your future.